Hi guys, today I have a delicious grilled salad recipe for you with crunchy homemade garlic bread from the grill. First you want to prep all the vegetables for the grill. I'm going to half the lemons, then quarter the peaches. This way it's going to be easier for me to grill them. I'm cutting the zucchini into these kind of thick pieces and also preparing the pepper. I'm using a yellow pepper, but you can also use a red pepper or a green one. First you want to remove the seeds and then cut the pepper into these kind of stripes. Then half the radicchio, peel the onions and also half the onions. Now all my vegetables and fruit are ready for the grill and we can start grilling everything. Because I'm using different vegetables and fruits, they will take different amount of time to get grilled and ready. Here you just want to keep an eye on them and grill them to your liking. The radicchio will be grilled very fast, so you just want to turn it around once and then give it a short time and then remove it from grill. The rest of the vegetables and fruit will take a little longer. As you can eat all of these vegetables raw, you just want to give them a nice color on the grill and allow them to soften a little. But you don't have to worry about them to be cooked through. Now that all the vegetables and fruit are grilled, I'm also going to prepare the garlic bread. For that, I'm just going to peel the garlic cloves. And I don't know why, but I decided to half the garlic cloves, but you don't need to half the garlic cloves. Then we also need to slice the bread into this kind of thick pieces. Brush it with some olive oil from both sides. What I decided to do is to brush one side on the cutting board, then place the bread slices onto the grill and brush the other side with the olive oil when the bread is on the grill. But you can also brush them with the olive oil right away. The bread doesn't need a long time on the grill, it will get crunchy very fast, so just keep an eye on it. When one side has turned beautifully golden and crunchy, flip the bread slices and allow them to crunch from the other side as well. Then remove the bread slices from the grill, allow them to cool shortly, after which you want to wrap the bread slices with the garlic cloves. This gives the bread a really lovely garlic flavor. Then if you like, you can also season the bread slices with a little bit of salt. If you notice that some pieces get a little too much salt, then just tap them on a cutting board to get rid of the excess salt. If you like, you can then also cut the vegetable and fruit into bite-sized pieces so that you don't need to cut the salad while eating it. I decided to divide my salad into two bowls and I'm adding 1/2 of a grilled lemon juice to each salad bowl. Then also drizzling over some olive oil and seasoning with some salt and pepper to taste. I'm crumbling feta cheese over my salad and it's gonna be a lovely finish to my salad and it adds a lovely flavor to it. Then just give your salad a good mix and serve it with the crunchy garlic bread. Enjoy!